Maureen, and you're welcome to my site. So okay, I know you've been seeing this property every time I show you. We are at the castle Awoyaya, Ibejulekki. If you can see, the property is already finishing. We are already started finishing our units around. You can see around you right now. You can see that our units are already getting finished. We're working on our interlock road. The bungalows are ready. But right now inside this estate, we still have our 3-bedroom bungalows. We have these 3-bedroom fully detached bungalows still selling, and our 3-bedroom semi-detached bungalow still selling right here in the castle Awoyaya Ibejulekki. Okay, so I'm going to show you videos of work in progress in this estate, as well as a video of our 3-bedroom bungalow and how spacious it is. So sit back there and watch and listen. So before we go further, if you haven't subscribed to my page, please kindly subscribe to my page. Leave your comment, tell me your thoughts on what you think on the various videos I'm doing on this property tours, what more information you would like to get, what your thoughts are on these beautiful properties I show you. Do you want more? What do you need? Just comment on the inbox, okay, and I will respond to you. Okay, by the way, subscribe, share to your friends, family and loved ones. So right now I'm going to give you a tour of this beautiful estate, the castle. Come on, watch along.
Okay, right now, so I'm going to be taking you on a tour inside that 3-bedroom classic finish. So here we're inside. First of all, we're meeting the ante room. This is actually the ante room. From there we go to the sitting room. The sitting room is quite big and spacious, if you can see. Remember, this is the classic finish in the castle bungalows. Okay, this is a fully detached 3-bedroom classic finish with a BQ. When we enter there, we go into the first room. This is actually the first room. If you can notice from the video, the first room is quite spacious. It's en suite, toilet and bathroom with a cupboard. Yes, although this is not the way to be delivered, they are still finishing this house. If you can see, we're still working on the finishing. That's why it's like this. From there, okay, looking at the roof now, the roof is beautiful, isn't it? From there, we're going to the next room. Yeah, this is actually the next room. Second room. It also comes with a cupboard and it's en suite as well. If you notice, there's ample windows for cross ventilation. Yeah, so we put you in mind when we're designing the houses and building it. If you notice, this bathroom is also spacious too. Then again, we're going to the masters. This is like the master's bedroom. It has its own design for the POP. It's going to come out like this. 3 windows you can see for cross ventilation. Very spacious bathroom. It has a spacious bathroom. All these fittings will come with the house, and then a little walk-in closet by the side of the master's bedroom. And you can see this corridor is quite spacious. It's actually good, and massive sitting room, quite a big sitting room. Okay, further we're going to the kitchen. The kitchen is going to be fully fitted. This is how the kitchen is going to come fitted. If you can see the cupboards up and down, you see the kitchen. There's ceramics on the walls. Also, we have the store where you can keep food stuff and all that. And it has a back door that leads to outside the house. Yes, a back door from the back. From there you can view your other neighbors around you, and there's also a spacious balcony at the back, so that you can be able to put in maybe gas, dispose bin and all that. If you notice, from the back door you can get access to the boys' quarter. This is the boys' quarter, and if you're listening to this boys' quarter, you can see that it's quite spacious. Now you can make this a maid's room, or you can rent it out. Some people rent out the boys' quarters, some people keep it for their guests or maids. So you can see it's quite spacious, and it comes with a bathroom and toilet and enough space, also with a back door that leads to the kitchen. The boys' quarter also leads to outside the compound, if you can see. So this is the little showing of the classic finish. In my previous video I did the royal finish, but here I did the classic finish of a 3-bedroom bungalow in the castle estate.